You are going to love 2021 Ascent. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.